All right. Inches to, how many inches are in 2.5 yards? It doesn't matter which side you put it on. 2.5 yards is equal to how many inches, right? And why did I put yards as y again? So, what do we know about the relationship? How many inches are in 1 yard? 36. So, 1 yard is equal to 36 inches. If there's 2.5 of 36s, you got to figure out by multiplying, right? So 2.5 times 36. 36 is 36 over 1. 2 times 2 plus 1 is 5. So 2.5 is 5 halves. Now we just got to multiply. You could either multiply across, or you could simplify first. Reduce these bad boys, right? If you don't know how to reduce, then let's just multiply across. It's a little more difficult, but that's okay. We have 180 by multiplying 36 times 5, and 2 times 1 is 2. So how many 2's are in 180? 90. So your first answer is B, 90. Let's go to the second one. 36 inches equal how many feet? 36 inches equals feet. We don't know that. Well, what do? We do know is that we do know 1 foot is equal to 12 inches, right? So how many 12s are in 36? Exactly 3. So if that has 3, then there's 3. That's your answer. 3 feet. I do not understand that, Mr. Stowe. That's okay. There's about maybe half of you right now that said that. That's okay. Let's try another one. I think I'm on the second one. Okay. 90 inches equals how many feet? 90 inches equals how many feet? 90 inches equals how many feet? Well, what do we know? We know that 12 inches is in 1 foot. So the question is, how many 12s are in 90? Well, we know 5 times 12 is 60. So let's count from there if you don't remember all your 12s. 6 times 12 would be 72. 7 times 12 is 84. And we can't go higher than that. So let's say 7 would be 84. Okay? We still have 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90 left. So we still have 6 12s left. So 7 and 6 12s, or 7.5 feet, because 6 12s is 1/2, right? So that answers there's 7, and so you're pulling out as many 12s as you can. You can pull out 7, and there's still 6 12s left. So 7.5. How many yards are in 432 inches? So I like to put the unknown here. I don't know if that's right or not. It doesn't matter which side, right? You can flip-flop it. 432 inches equals some kind of yardage. It's not a Y. It's YD. What do we know? The relationship. Well, we know 1 yard. And a lot of you guys are going to think 12 because we always think feet. But it's yards. So it's 36. Right? So we need to figure out how many 36s are in 432. That's a gross division problem, right? Well, what you could do if you're feeling crazy, you could reduce those first. They're both even. Cut it in half, cut it in half. Okay? They're going to be even again. Cut them in half, and then you have a lot easier of a problem. But I don't want to confuse you if you don't know that. So let me divide those bad boys. How many 36s are in 432? Well, let's pull it back so you can see a little bit more. Right here, there's 1. So 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? Is that right? 6, 7? Yes, it is. How did you do that, Mr. Stowe? I borrowed. I said 13. Okay. Now drop that to 36, 72. 12. Okay. Now, 1.5 or 1 1/4 yards, 1 1/4 yards. So for the record, this is as far as I've gotten after the first 3 takes. So I feel like we're finishing this one. 1 1/4 yards is equal to how many feet? Well, what do we know about their relationship? We know 1 yard is equal to 3 feet. So how many do we have here? Well, I'm sorry, let's look more like this, okay? Each of those, 1 1/4, each hole is worth 3. So if we multiply 1 1/4 times 3, that's how we'll figure it out. We know this answer is supposed to get bigger. Each yard is worth 3 feet. So we do 1 1/4 times 3. 1 1/4 times 3. We have 5/4 times 3 over 1. Yes, it's still on the camera. 5 times 3 is 15. 4 times 1 is 4. How many 4s are in 12? 4, 8. Sorry, why did I say 12? I'm giving you the answer. How many 4s are in 15? 4, 8, 12. You can't go more. So there's three holes there, right? 3 holes, and that got you to 12. So there's still 13, 14, and 15 left. So there's still 3 left. So it's 3 3/4. Ooh, 3 3/4. 1 1. Awesome. We are on that last question, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, we have a triangle. Ooh, that kind of is not my best triangle. That's okay. We have 36 inches over here. This is that guy. Couldn't put it in feet. We have 5 feet here. That's good. We have 4 feet here. That's good. So the question is, the perimeter isn't how many feet? Well, perimeter means that looks like a Dorito or something. That's a bad triangle. This piece plus this piece plus this piece is equivalent to the perimeter. Problem is, this is in inches. So we got to convert that to feet. So 12 inches per foot. They can get 3 feet. No inches left over. So 3 feet. So 3 feet plus 5 feet is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 feet. We did it. We did it. No mistakes. It took me way too long to make those videos today, but that's my fault. All right. We got, hopefully, you guys rocked out the first video. You tried really hard on the questions. You rocked out the second video, and you're feeling phenomenal. All right. I guess that's it. I will see you tomorrow. And tomorrow's Friday, and Friday's fantastic. It's just review. So remember, breathe. If this doesn't make sense, that's okay. Let's keep rocking it. What's important is you are closer to indubitably and further away from dup, right? That's all that matters. You get it a little bit more. All right. We will see you later. We'll see you tomorrow. Happy Thursday.